Welcome, here I've got OPPO F15 2020 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the photo settings. Here we have the grid options, so these are the grid lines at this camera. By using this button we can easily turn them on and turn them off like that as we need. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera preview, and as you can see it shows us these lines. This is useful for example when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better pictures, and of course when you don't need this you can easily go back to the settings in the right corner and use this button to turn them off. So for now, as you can see, the grid lines have gone here in the camera preview. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.